Alright, guys. Good morning, everyone. This is a VIX75 index, and I'm gonna take you guys through everything. I'm sorry for the foul language I was about to use, but I'm gonna show you guys everything how it went down. So, starting on the daily time frame, you've seen that we got a downtrend here, but when I talk about using the higher time frame, I talk about using the higher time frame to know the trend of the market. Yeah, the market is still on a downtrend, but I'll be showing you guys some other stuffs that might actually change your mind. So we deal with where the market is. Like, we actually take note of where the market is. We don't really concentrate. Like right now, we can't actually even do anything about anything above this other horizontal line here. These lines are close to each other because this is a daily time frame. So by the time I start going into different time frames, you're going to see every details. So sorry, I have to use the landscape mode so that you can see, so that the chart can be understood clearly. So this is the daily time frame. As I said earlier, we have a downtrend here, but we're not concentrating on anything here. This might come into play in the future, but right now we are actually going to target something around here. So on that note, we have to go to the 4-hour time frame. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, like this video, watch my other videos on the boom and crash settings that I give out. You're gonna love it. So this is pure price action now. I'm about to show you guys. So you see now we're on the 4 hours. You've seen that the lines has detached from each other and things are getting clearer. Yeah, this isn't even in play right now. Like the uptrend, like this trend line you're seeing here is not a trend, right? It's not actually being used right now because this is the 4 hours. So I want to show you something on the 4 hours. Here's the 4 hour time frame. Okay, this has passed. This can't play any role anymore because it's past that. That is no more in use. Like, it was an uptrend, but now we are looking at other trends. We have to keep our charts clean so as not to get too confused. So this is the 4 hours. You've seen that here we have the support, first support, and I think here we got it on the 4 hour time frame too. So now you see that we place different things on different time frames. So we are going to go down to the 1 hour time frame. You have to play with your time frames. You get different things from different time frames. And you have to apply patience. You have to apply patience. So on the 1 hour time frame is going to be closing in 1 minute, and the 4 hours will be closing in the next, after now it's going to be 8 o'clock. So by 9, the 4 hour time frame is going to close, which is always a decisive candlestick sort of. So you go to the 1 hour time frame. You've seen now that this trend line now is getting clearer. You now understand why this was here. So you've seen that there's been majority of returns or rejections from this position here, although the only one that failed to come to that level, or they came down here, was this. So now we've seen that market has gotten to this level and has gone back again, but now we are able to cite this horizontal line. This horizontal line right now is not really clear right now, but now let's go to a lower time frame. Okay, let me finish with the 1 hour time frame. So now you've seen, okay, the 1 hour time frame has closed. We have a new candlestick, but this candlestick, to me, is going to retrace. Okay, now this is where this line comes to play. This horizontal line comes to play. Now we've seen that the 1 hour has closed. There has been a rejection, of course, and now people might expect the market to still come down to this level before going up. But why don't you think about the fact that you have to put everything in place? Think about the fact that maybe this market is bright here. Yes, it came down here, it bought back, retested, and wants to buy back. Although it has been a downtrend, but what if he wants to buy it back? But now you have to also put things into perspective too. Now we talk about the rejection on this candlestick. We talk about the previous candlestick, and we talk about the trend. It's been a downtrend. It's been a downtrend. So now this candlestick might actually be giving us another downtrend. Let's see something on the 4 hours. You see that the previous 4 hours there was a rejection, but the previous 4 hours before the last one is a downtrend. Now, there are a lot of things when you're a trader you have to look into. You have to look into a lot of things. So let's go to the 30 minutes. We're on the 1 hour. So on the 30 minutes, it's actually not really clear. I'm still talking about this horizontal line. So now we go to the 15 minutes time frame. Remember, I talk about using the 15 minutes time frame to find our entries. Yeah, using the 15 minutes time frame to find our entries. That is done after you've used the higher time frames to start creating analysis, start getting tips about the market, how it has been, what has been happening, what the next move might be. Okay, what the next move might be. So first of all, I'm not going to lie to you guys. What I expected was that once I got into this market, the first thing I looked at was, oh, it's a downtrend. It was going to go and come down here and go back up. But when I looked closely at different time frames, that's when I started discovering. I even discovered this horizontal line. I discovered this horizontal line that I talked about. So now we talked about coming to the 15 minutes time frame. Now on the 15 minutes time frame is where you are going to see that there's a kind of there's a support here. There's a support here. That's why my horizontal line is the market has been coming to that place retest. Like there's been a lot of retesting around that region. Okay. So now this is what I do to get that clear. Let me show you guys. We change it to the line. Now we've seen this. You see that there's already been a lot of rejection around that zone. So all these things come to play and it makes you know what to do with the market. So if you want to learn the art of price action, I'm very ready to be your mentor. If you want to join the VIP signal group, check the description of this video. You are going to find the link to the VIP signal group. And you're also going to find the link to my WhatsApp in case you want to reach out to me. I mean, it's more comfortable if you learn how to do this and do it at your convenience. It's actually fun. I mean, right now I'm listening to music on my headsets and I'm making this video to you guys, and it's a kind of vibe, man. It's very simple. So, creating this analysis has been fun. I love it. Like when it works out like magic, like you can't actually get enough of that feeling. So now we've seen that the candlestick here is actually looking at respecting this trend line, this this support here. So now what do you wait for? You wait for a confirmation to see if it's actually ranging. You've seen the market has been ranging for a long time now, so you have to just wait. Except you want to scalp, you can scalp expecting market to at least get to this level, but that's not it. So you have to just wait for the market to go and give us the next candlestick that might be bearish. Seeing on the 30 minutes, let me show you the 30 minutes. See this 30 minutes. Market has not really gone above this level in a while. Like it's just going, coming down, going, coming down. But now you shouldn't also fail to see that this candlestick too, they actually are very you'll be surprised that this candlestick might actually get to sell. So all this is needs patience. You need patience. So now it might actually happen that it starts buying, but I just need a short confirmation in the sense that maybe it comes down to this level, so it will be better with a little bit of loss if I put my SL here. So because of this is more of a stronger kind of trend here. Is a stronger kind of trend compared to the 15 minutes that has the rejections everywhere. So we just have to wait to see what the next candlestick is going to show to us. Then we jump into the trade. So patience plays a lot of role. That's why they said don't run in, like don't go after the market. Let the market come to you. So now we're going to wait for either this candlestick to give us a good sign of a buy, or continue with this. Then we know what we are waiting for. We will then wait for the market to reject to a level like this, so that when we are putting our SL, we just put it somewhere around here with less loss, just in case the market decides to go do what it wants to do. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel, join our free Telegram group, hit me up for your preference challenge. Like for those that are trading forex, the currencies, let's help you pass the challenge. For those that want to join the mentorship, hit me up. My WhatsApp number is on the description of this video. Subscribe to my channel and watch out for our boom and crash strategy. This also works like price action works on boom, it works on crash, it works on all kinds of markets, all assets. Like I can't, I'm not gonna lie to you about that, but just be sure about knowing what you're doing before you go to trade on your real account. Know the basics. You have to learn from a mentor. You can't just wake up one morning and start trading. No, you have to learn. Okay, you have to learn. So now it's easy to learn because I remember when back then when I wanted to start, I thought it was so difficult because drawing the trend lines, it looked like a movie to me. So now I actually get the check. It's just about you putting your mind into it, and you are able to catch these spikes. You're able to win these games, to win these trades, and all of that. So now you've seen that the candlestick is moving upwards, and now your question could: I told you might scalp and expect market to get to this level. Where's that level? Where do we get that level? I think it was on the 30 minutes. Was it 30 minutes? Yeah, I think it was on the 30 minutes. So I was saying we expect market to buy to this level before it start coming down. But if it passes this other level here, or maybe this level, we'll go in for a buy, expecting it to come to this level. But I will still wait for this candlestick to close to know if it's going to reject, because this candlestick might actually reject. Man, this market takes seconds. You can just decide to use the next 5 minutes to pull things down. And also, I always talk about using the 5 minutes on the VIX75. I talk about using the 5 minutes on the VIX75. So you've seen the 5 minutes candlestick. As I said earlier, market might actually just push to this level. It's just been ranging, going up, coming down, going up, coming down. This is not real profit, but it's scalping profit. You jump into it, get out of it. So if you want to learn more, hit me up. So I'm not going to take your time on this video. I'm not going to take your time on this video. So watch other videos in case you want to learn other things or you want to see the magic we've been creating. So thanks for watching. See you guys on the next video. So guys, on the previous video, I talked about us waiting for the market to get to this level. At least, if you can recall, I talked about that before going for a buy. But during this period of ranging, we were able to get in, take some profit, get out. Although we ran into a loss, but now this was the perfect timing. This was the perfect entry, which we had to wait for market to retrace to this level at least. But being that the market is still ranging, it might not actually get to this level anymore. It's going up. Is an horizon. Is an uptrend. So it might not actually get to this level anymore. Maybe it might actually touch this line, maybe somewhere around this region, or it might just go up. So this is what price action does. It helps you to hit the market at the right time and also to move out at the right time. So I talked about patience. Patience plays a big role. Don't rush to the market, let the market come to you. So it was a perfect timing, being it's a Valentine Day it's a Valentine Day where we gave out this signal to the VIPs and also to the free group. So for those of you that want to join the free Telegram channel, hit me up. Of course. Okay, this is when we started the whole trade this morning. We talked about this is the start of it when we never entered the trade yet. So it was sitting at the support at that moment. But I made this video earlier and talked about the market coming down. So we went into a trade and we gathered some profit, although we got into a loss before. Then this is how the whole thing played out, and this is the free signal. Earlier on, this is the last part of it where we were able to wait for the market to come down to that level I just showed before we gave the free signal, and I shared it to the free Telegram group, and they've been able to back profit, enough profit. So at least the least lot of at least 0.005 has given at least $23 a position, and that's a lot of money. So here is the free Telegram channel where I share the signal to. Of course, you can see that I actually shared it to them. So if you want to join the free Telegram channel, check the description of this video. You're going to find the link. You want to hit me up to learn how to do this. The telegram, sorry, the link to my WhatsApp is going to be on the description of this video as well, so you can just hit me up. So thanks for watching, and please share this video to your friends. Make sure you join the free Telegram channel. Sometimes we do this, but it's not all the time. But the VIP is also running. VIPs that get their signals every day, and we hit it big. For those of you that want the account management, is also running as well. So hit me up, guys. Let's stay in profit together. See you guys soon, and I hope you guys had a very good Valentine's Day, because my VIPs and the whole team, of course, they did that because we cashed out big. So see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.